Hello and welcome to External Coatings. If you haven't already heard of us, please allow me to explain who we are and what we do. We add value and great looks to your home with our high-quality property renovation services. From rendering, to textured coatings, to pebble dashing, and true colour rendering, there isn't a job too large or small that we can't handle. With over 35 years experience and expert advice, we are recognised as one of the most professional and high-quality external renovators in the industry. With a friendly, personal service and professional results, all our work is guaranteed for 15 years and has a lifetime expectancy manufacturer's warranty of over 30 years. Using only the finest craftsmen, high-quality materials and the latest technology to ensure your home has the finest finish and perfect texture with visually remarkable results. So isn't it about time that you join the hundreds of satisfied customers and make your house a perfect home? Contact External Coatings on 0800 783 2096 or visit our website today at www.externalcoatings.co.uk.